And the nation's top doctor, Surgeon General Jerome Adams, is in Fort Wayne to share a message that Allen County needs to get out of the COVID-19 danger zone. Jeff Newmeyer is live outside Citizen Square downtown, where Adams met with local officials and reporters. The reference to a danger zone, Jeff, doesn't sound reassuring.
Yeah, Krista, of course, he would tell you that there are a lot of other communities across the country are worse off, and others in Indiana, like Indianapolis, for instance, have also seeing COVID positivity rates climbing too high. And he's adamant that these places all have quite a bit of control over their own destinies regarding the coronavirus threat. Adams is the nation's 20th Surgeon General. He came to town partly because he has family in this area, and partly to reinforce that residents here need to be paying more attention to good health practices to fight COVID. You may get tired of hearing it, but he says we just need people to follow through with washing their hands, watching their distance from other people, and the need to wear a face covering or mask. Dr. Adams applauds mayors or governors who enact mask-wearing mandates in their jurisdictions. But a national mask mandate, what Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden is pushing, well, he's not a big fan of that.
I still have yet to hear anyone articulate how they would operationalize enforcement of a national mandate. The authority to enforce lies mostly from a public health standpoint on a local level and on a state level. From a federal perspective, we could send in federal troops. That's not going to work so well.
Now, Dr. Adams agrees we need students back in school buildings for in-person instruction, and he's a big believer in high school sports, but he says you can't have those things if there's too much COVID disease circulating in a particular community. He says, Allen County, you're in danger zone in terms of positive results returned on these COVID tests that have been done. If you want to have schools stay open and you want to have high school sports go ahead this fall, he's saying you better put up with some of these small inconveniences of good health practices to make sure that it can happen.
Okay, a strong warning from Jerome Adams tonight here at home. Jeff, thank you.